Asagba of Asaba congratulates Ogbueshi Godfrey Odogwu on appointment as Deputy Secretary General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide on the 31st of May 2026. The write-up from which I am reading from was posted in the page of the Asagba of Asaba. According to the monarch, I am still part of Ohanaeze Ndigbo because I belong to Imobi. I am happy and I am sure that this is a great advantage for the Asaba people. We have never denied having an Igbo link. We do not deny our Igbo identity, but our ancestry is not Igbo. It is Igala, Asagba Azinge stated. Ogbueshi Godfrey Odogwu, who was appointed as Deputy Secretary General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, is a great son of Igbo land from Asaba. The man is working tirelessly to see that Igbo nation moves forward. Before he will be given that position in Ohanaeze Ndigbo, it shows that he is a devoted member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. I'm surprised that the Asagba of Asaba is congratulating the man for the position given to him in Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Why is Asagba of Asaba congratulating him? Asagba of Asaba said that he don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. So why is he happy that an Asaba son is a member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo? Why is he congratulating that man? Asagba of Asaba in this write-up said that he is a member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, that he is a member of Imobi in Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Asagba of Asaba, you are a member of Imobi and you don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. Asagba of Asaba, leave Ohanaeze Ndigbo. You are not supposed to be part of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. You are a member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, but you don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. How it take make sense? What are you still doing in Ohanaeze Ndigbo? Anyone that is a member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo is someone that wants the betterment of Igbo nation. Asagba of Asaba, you don't know that by saying that Anioma State should not join the Southeast, that you are against the unity of Igbo nation. You don't know? Asagba of Asaba, you went to national television in Abuja and told the world there that you want Anioma State, but you don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. Person went to say he be member of Imobi for Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Now they talk this thing. Asagba of Asaba, you knew that Anioma State can only be actualized through the Southeast, but because of your relationship with Okowa, you said no, that Anioma State should be in the South. Give us reasons why Anioma State should not join the Southeast. Up till today, you never talk am. You love Igbo nation. You are part of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Support Anioma State to join Southeast. Make we Anioma people identify with our Southeast brothers. You not agree. Asagba of Asaba, you are the chairman of technical committee for Anioma State creation. But as Senator Ned Nwoko and we Anioma people insist, say we want to make Anioma State join Southeast, you step down from that position, saying that you no longer want to be the chairman of technical committee for Anioma State creation. And after you step down, the Obuzo of Ibuzo Kingdom became the new chairman of technical committee for Anioma State creation. Asagba of Asaba, see the kind character where you dey play. King or king for that matter. Look at the character that you are displaying. You like Igbo nation, but deep down you don't like Igbo nation. Asagba of Asaba, if Ndigbo adia asoy, you don't like Igbo nation. Upon say you are a member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, you are against the creation of Anioma State. As if you say don't make Anioma State join Southeast, you are against Anioma State creation, because the only way for we Anioma people to get Anioma State is through the Southeast. Because of your relationship with Okowa, I thought you know make Anioma State join Southeast. Asaba is of Igala origin. Make we can't do waiting. Make we do waiting. Asaba is Igala. Make we do waiting. Where Igala people from come? The author of Igala is a Jukun man. Author of Igala is of Jukun origin. If they ask author of Igala, where did you people came from? Igota say they came from Jukun. They are Jukun people. Abutu is the founder of Igala royal dynasty. Abutu is a Jukun man. Abutu is a Jukun name. enter Facebook, write Abutu. People where you go this way, they be them na Jukun people. So many Igala people are of Hausa origin. So many of them are of Igbo origin. So many of them are of Jukun origin. So many of them are of Yoruba origin. That is why the language of Igala is 60 to 70% Yoruba language. So if you don't say you not be Igbo person, say your ancestors are from Igala, you not change anything. Asagba of Asaba, you are from Igala. Leave Ohanaeze Ndigbo. You are not supposed to be in Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Come out from that place. Because your character, the kind of characters where you don't display, show say you no love Igbo nation. The late Asagba of Asaba, all this is why you do not do one. If to say the late Asagba of Asaba is still alive, he will never say that he don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. He no go talk am. You are a member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. Manife Ndigbo ade asoy. Before a traditional ruler go come online, say some kind thing, there are things that he is expected to look at before coming out and say what he want to say. Asagba of Asaba, as you know, say Anioma State can only be created through the Southeast. Why you go come out and say you know what make Anioma State join Southeast? Up till now, you never tell us that thing will make you talk say you know what make Anioma State join the Southeast. You are just congratulating that man, you not they come out from your mind. Because if to say you come out from your mind, you go support Anioma State creation and the Southeast zoning. The only thing where people take no Asaba be say Asaba is the capital of Delta states. Asaba not get any natural resources. Nigeria they grow today na Ukwane land. Do you know how many crude oil wells that we have in Ukwane land? Even with the whole crude oil wells where Urobo people get, Ukwane people get crude oil past Urobo people. When they talk of regions for this Anioma land where they power Delta State, where they power Nigeria, Asaba not follow. Asagba of Asaba, what you did by coming out to say I don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast is very bad. Because that statement is against the growth and development of we Ukwane people that are oil producing in these Delta states. Ukwane people, they produce so much crude oil for these Delta states. If we get Anioma State now, Anioma State go dey benefit from NDDC. Asaba go dey benefit from that NDDC. No be say Asaba get a drop of crude oil well o, but they go dey benefit from that NDDC. Make we get Anioma State, make Anioma people dey benefit from NDDC directly. No go be say we go dey share am with other people for Delta State again. Asagba of Asaba say no. Make we get Anioma State join Southeast so that we go dey benefit from Southeast Development Commission. Asagba of Asaba say no. Why? He dey protect the interest of him friend Okowa. Some people go say, see the way they talk to traditional ruler. Nga na agwa unu eziokwu. Eziokwu na afọ nufu nga na agwa unu ya. For my community Ogume, if Okpaluku do bad, we go tell and say, Okpaluku if he may na ademma. King not be God, king not be juju, na human being he be. So if you do anything bad, we go speak against that if we do. You be member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, but you don't want to make Anioma State join the Southeast. How will they make sense for here? Obulife job where if to say Ukwane land gets a socio-cultural organization that is overseeing the affairs of every Ukwane people. As Asaba thought say no make Anioma State join Southeast, that organization for Ukwane land go tell Asagba of Asaba say you have no monopoly over we Ukwane people. Now we Ukwane people go talk where Anioma State go be, not you Asagba of Asaba. Anioma State go dey functional. Now Ukwane people. Ukwane people can be a state on their own. Ukwane people can be a country on their own. We Ukwane people, we not need to be in the same states with Eka, Oshimi and Anyocha. Land for agriculture, we get them. Gas and crude oil, we get them. The problem with Ukwane land is say we not dey organized. Everybody just they do anyhow for Ukwane land. Our Okpalukus dey there. They don't have delegates that we speak up for them. Now why they play politics for these Delta states? Now Ukwane people they take they play politics. That is why they are doing everything possible, keeping Ukwane people backward, make that region not grow, so that they go fit they manipulate Ukwane region. They steal our crude oil and gas. Ukwane people now them supposed to they talk something for Anioma, it go dey happen. But Politics have designed it that those that have crude oil in their land will be suffering. Check every region for this country where get crude oil and gas, then they suffer. That place they suffer. Why? The people that are controlling all those things, crude oil not even in their own community. That is how Okowa is enslaving Okwane people, using some idiots in Okwane land that are supporting him, enslaving other Okwane people. If those Okwane people know themselves, this Anioma State where they agitate for, so Okwane people are supposed to carry on for head. Instead, Asagba of Asaba, where they say Asaba not get a single drop of natural resources, they thought say make Anioma State not join Southeast. With that, fighting against Anioma State's agitation that we have been looking for since 1938. You dey congratulate person when they give position for Ohanaeze Ndigbo. You no love Igbo nation, but you are part of Imobi. Asagba of Asaba, stay clear from Imobi of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. You not like Igbo people, and you don't like we Anioma people because you are against the creation of Anioma State. Asagba of Asaba, if they thought say they want create states for South, how are you sure that we Anioma people are the ones to take that slot? Esan people define states. Afemai people define states. Ijaw people define states. Urobo people define states. Ogoni people define states. Obolo people define states. Which of them are going to allow we Anioma people to take that slot? None. This is why I said that before a traditional ruler go come out talk something, make research, know the consequences of that thing where he go talk. Even if you know what make Anioma State join Southeast, you are not supposed to say it. All you are supposed to say is anywhere where Anioma State one day make it day. All we want is Anioma State. That is what you are supposed to say. Asagba of Asaba. But instead you say no. You stand for Okowa. Okowa na your tight G. You stand for him. Asagba of Asaba. That Imobi where you dey, so you not supposed to dey that place. Step down from Imobi the way you step down from being the chairman of technical committee for Anioma State creation. Anioma State that is Igbo agenda, you are against it, and you are still a member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo. You are a member of Imobi. What are you still doing in Imobi? You be Gala person, you dey for Igbo affair. Ishiagwale.